this is what I did with Claude today. The UI design, the animation, everything I did with Claude. So here is what I took as inspiration for the reference point. And finally, this is what I got with Claude. So let's see how you can do it. Okay, so we're gonna copy this image and paste it here to get our redesign prompt. Okay, while we are getting this prompt, we're gonna call Claude and create a React project, run the project. Okay, we got that, and we're gonna say clean the page, the blank page. So I think when we create a React project, there are some by default elements. Just remove all of them if you want. So let's now copy the prompt we got from here and ask Claude to do it. Okay, we got this. Let's see the reference one and let's see the redesign. Yeah, I think we can go with that. And now it's time to find some visual reference, visual inspirations. Let's go to Pinterest and find something better. Okay, we got some reference for visual inspirations. What do you like? I like how clean this design is, and here I like overall the very smooth feeling, right? The gray colors and text colors are fine, very smooth in color, right? We like the shadow here, not the colors but the shadow. Okay, now let's ask our Claude to tweak the UI. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and I'm gonna say follow this example and update our gray colors and font colors. Wow, perfect. I like the colors now, very nice. I don't want this shadow now. For now I'm gonna say not dash, but we need borders. Okay, let's say add subtle gray color as stroke on the white card. Add subtle gray color as stroke on the white card and remove the shadow. Yeah, we can tweak a lot. Let's try it with some different interesting UX. We're gonna duplicate this card a few times for navigation. I mean, if I have more orders, of course then I can navigate to the other order, right? So let's say duplicate the card 3 or 4 times, and yeah, duplicate the card 3 to 4 times behind the active one. The idea is that if I have 3 to 4 more orders, I can navigate between them. So please make it feel like a stack of multiple order card, and the active card stays in front and shows all the content, while the inactive cards sit behind it from the top and suggest there are more orders to switch between. Let's see. Okay, so nice. I mean, we need to click here, right? We need to be able to click here. So I need to tell Claude to make it interactive. Cards clickable, so I can click to any of them to see the order. Nice. Amazing. You can click on the cards. I think we should add a slider here, so it's even more easier to understand. There are more cards. Okay. Nice. This is fine. So we have sliders here. We have, we can click even here. Very nice. I think we need to add some motions here, so it feels like all are being changed. So I'm going to say when the active card changes and the next card comes in, I want the elements to feel like they are transitioning, not just instantly swapping. Add a subtle blur effect during the change, so the current card and its elements slightly blur as they move out, and the new card and its element come in with that same changing feel. The goal is to make the switch feel smoother and more alive, so user can clearly feel that the one order is changing into another one. Okay, let's see what we got. Nice, very nice. But I think something is broken, right? Okay, the active card's white container should stay in place, not change. Only the inner elements should transition and update. Right now, the whole card feels like it is disappearing, and that creates the broken look. Keep the main white card stable and only animate the content inside it as one order changes to another. Let's see. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, something is wrong now. So I think it's better if we explain clearly. There's still a flicker during the motion. Please make sure the transition work like this. The elements that are going out should be blurred, fade from full opacity to 0, and move slightly to the left by around 3 to 5 pixels. The elements that are coming should start blurred, come from 0 to full opacity, and move in from the right by around 1 to 3 pixels into their correct position. This should make the change feel smoother, more intentional, and remove the flicker effect. Let's see what we get. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Amazing. I think the button should not always say live. If something is delivered, the button should not say live map tracking. Lovely. So lovely. The button's copy of each card should be relevant. An order that was delivered should not say live map tracking. The copy should be relevant on each order card. Let's see now. In transit, okay. Shipped, okay. Nice. Perfect. What else? Okay. That is an express delivery, but the icon doesn't look like an express first. So we're gonna say icons from huge icons react and use an icon that feels like express delivery for the delivery icon. All right, so now everything feels nice to me. I think the buttons weight should be always same. I don't like imbalanced button size. So let's say buttons are same in width. Yeah, that's fine. I think we're gonna add icons to the buttons. Add relevant icons to each buttons. Nice. By 45. So it doesn't break any icons, any button. So for the reorder icon, try something that looks like redoing. All fine. I think if we increase the stroke, it will match the font. Try to increase the stroke value by 25% on the buttons. Let's see if we can match. Yeah, way more better. Lovely. for the receipt icon, the view receipt. Let's see what we get. I think let's go to huge icons, invoice. It is this one. No, use this. Yeah, so I think we are done. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.